students, today we are going to discuss about the chapter 3. In that, the third story of the tsunami. In the first story, we understand the first and second story, right? The tsunami. The first story about the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The second story is about the Thailand, the island of the Thailand. Now we are moving further to the third story of this chapter. Open your book, everyone. Page number 29. Now, look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog. Look carefully. See everyone. The one small picture is given. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the students and can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. So now we can start. Let's start this chapter now. This is how can you start calm blue sea ruined hats. Now in the picture, under the picture the one line is written. When do you think this picture was taken? When do you think the picture is taken or how this picture was taken? Now let's start further to our chapter. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka. Here the giant waves means big waves, slammed into the coast. Coast means the boundary of the sea. Or the slam means those people who are living in the huts, right? And the tents, or we can say that the slabs. So here, before the giant waves slammed into the coast in the India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. The wild animals and the domestic animals know that what was about to happen. The wild animals know, or wild animals have that sense that if there is a tsunami, if there is an earthquake, or if there is a landslide is about to happen, then the wild animals or the domestic animals have that sense that they know about that earlier, before the human man, or before the mankind knows, right? They fled to safety. Now they moved to the safety place. According to eyewitness account, elephant screamed and ran for higher ground. Here, according to eyewitness account, it means the animal have that sense. So they ran. Elephant screamed and ran for the higher ground. Dog refused to go outdoor. Dog said no or ignored to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas and zoo animals rushed into their shelter and could not be anti-acted to come back out. Here the given that is the domestic or wild animal have the sense. So they know about the tsunami that is earlier, before the mankind's know. Here given that elephants, dogs, then zoo animals, then the aquatic animals, all animals are moving to the safer places because they know earlier, right? Or they are running, moving, or dog refuse to go outside or outdoor, right? run towards their shelters. Many people believe that animals possesses a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to set. The animal have the sixth sense and know when the earth is going to set. Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. Here the animals have the more accurate or they knows or they have the sixth sense. With the help of the sixth sense, they know about the where the earth sets. And they feel the earth vibration before the mankind. They can sense in approaching disaster long before human realize what's going on. Here what given? They can sense in approaching disaster. If disaster was happen, then they can know before the mankind knows. Before they realize that what's going on, before the mankind they realize. We cannot be sure whether the animals have a sixth sense or not. We cannot be sure. We cannot say that, or we cannot exactly say that the animal have sixth sense. Why? Because we don't know that animals have sixth sense or not. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. But not many animals have been reported dead. Who reported more to dead? Man or people, public, or we can say that the human beings are killed through this disaster, but we cannot hear about or we cannot hear or reported about the animals, more number of animals dead. Why? Because the animals have that sense or they feel the vibration of the earth where the earth was set. Once again, we cannot be sure whether the animals have a sixth sense or not. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean, it means the disaster was or the more waves or in powerful waves coming in the ocean, that is Indian Ocean, that killed the more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, in a many number of the countries. But not many animals have been reported dead. As compared to the mankind, the report of the dead animals, that is less. They feel the vibration of the earth. Along India's Kadalur coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephant, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Katangala beach inside the park. But no animal carcasses were found. Here what happened in the Sri Lanka? See everyone, here along India's Kadalur coast where the thousands of people perished. It means thousands of people have destroy from the disaster. Buffalo, goats and dogs were found unharmed. The people reached the harmless, but the buffalo, dogs, or we can say that the domestic animals does not or were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka. Where the Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home of a variety of animal. Is home of a variety of animal, including the animal including in the Yala National Park. That is elephant, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors are most away. 60 visitors are washed away from the Patangala beach inside the park. This beach is inside in the park, but no animal carcasses were found except for 2 water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park has observed 3 elephants running away from the Patangala beach. The elephants were already run away from the beach. Why? Because they have felt the vibration of the earth. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near the Gale said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. Here what they given in the last paragraph. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near the Gale said his two dogs would not go for the run on the beach. Why? He refused to go outing. In fact, they are excited to go to the outing, but that day they refuse. Why? Because they feel the vibration of the earth. But on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. Here, what is given in this third story, right? That I have written here. Here, the tsunami comes in the 2 countries, that is India and Sri Lanka. Here the story about the 2 countries, that is India and Sri Lanka. Here what we understand in this third story were the domestic animals have this sense, or we can say that this sixth sense about the something was. Which sense? About something happened. About something was happened, and they feel the vibration of the earth. They know before the mankind. They refuse to go for outing, and they move to the safer places, move to the ground. Right. This is in the story number 3. So here one remaining thing, that is in this tsunami in the Indian Ocean, more than 1,50,000 people were died. But no any animals. Why no any animals? There were doesn't reported. No report of the animals died. Why? Because the animal have feel the vibration. And here two story that is given, that is the Yala National Park. The Yala National Park. Where? In Sri Lanka. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka. At where the beach name, that is Patangala Beach. The beach name, that is Patangala Beach. Patangala Beach. Patangala Beach, in that what the visitor reported that the animals, including the elephant, leopard and 130 species are lived in this Yala National Park. They were moved to the safe place, or they know before the man, and they moved to the safe place. But here the 60 visitors were lost in the tsunami. How many visitors? That is 60 visitors, right? If you want to write this, then you can write. This is the important words. Then, now moving further. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island. In that, the main person, one story is about the Ignatius manager. Then second one, that is Sanjeev. Sanjeev was a policeman. Then 13-year-old Meghna, and one more, that is the Amos Javed. In the Andaman Nicobar Island, the story is all about the Ignatius manager, that Sanjeev, that is the policeman. He saved their life and his wife. And then what happened? Then he heard the voice. He heard the voice of the wife of Jane, wife of John, that is the guest house cook. And Sanjeev jumped into the water and rescued her, but they both were satisfied. Then 13-year-old Meghna was swept away in the water, and her parents, or we can say that, and her family to be swept out to the water, swept out in the water. She was in the rescue helicopter, but the helicopter man could not see the Meghna, right? Then Amos Javed was a 10-year-old boy, right? Here the Meghna was 13-year-old, but Amos Javed, that is 10-year-old. He saw, or we can say that his father know about that something was happened now, because the waves of the sea that are now not moving further. So his father that know that something now was happened. So at that time they were run, or they moved further to the safer place. At that time his grandfather hit something on head, and his father are run to save their grandfather. And what happened? They both swept away in the water. And then when his aunt and his mother also be swept away in the water. She woke up at that time, where she was in the hospital, that is hospital in a Kamorta. And the little girl was very afraid, did not talk about the accident, did not talk about this tsunami. The second story is about the Tilly Smith. Tilly Smith was saved the many people's life. Why they saved the many people's life, and why she didn't give the interview on the television, right? Why their parents refused her, do not make a heroine to save the life. So their parents were refused to go to the interview on the television. So here the Tilly Smith, in that here the island, in the they all are celebrating the Christmas on which island? In the Thailand, right? In the Thailand. Before she moved from the England, at that time he learned, or her teacher was learned about the geographic lesson, or they saw the video of the tsunami. So at that time the Tilly know if there is a water, no waves in the waters. So Tilly know that something now happened, or the video the Tilly saw as same as was going about. So Tilly crying, and loudly speaking. At that time, they moved from the beach because the Tilly was so afraid, and also with them also more visitors are run towards the safer place, run towards the hotel. So all peoples are save their life. Why they have saved their life? Because of the Tilly. So at that time, all peoples are giving thanks to the Tilly Smith. Right? This is all the three stories that we discussed, and here we completed our chapter number 3. I'll give you the PDF of the question answer. Right? Now, which question answer you need to write? You need to write the question that is page number 27, then page number 28. And page number 30. The comprehension question answer you need to write in your file book, that is the page number 27, 28 and 30. I'll give you the PDF of that, and you need to write down in your file. Okay students, here we completed our chapter number 3. I hope you all are clear with it. If you have any doubt regarding that, then you can ask me. Till then, bye students and take care.